Hi, this is Giulio Paracci with MICROS of South Florida. In this video, we're going to go through how to make changes to the menu board. The last video, we made a couple changes to the beer and wine. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and make changes to the menu board to reflect those changes on the menu board as well as on the point of sale screen. So from the back of the house on the server, click on POS Configurator and log in here. From here, we're going to click on the Devices tab, then click on Menu Panel. On this list here, we're going to scroll down until we find our draft beer. Here we are here. Your menu board has room for 8 drafts, 10 bottles, and 4 wines. So from here, we have them listed 1 through 8 for drafts. Below that, we're going to have our bottles 1 through 10, and right below that are the wines. So let's scroll back up to the drafts. And in this example, we're getting rid of Blue Moon and we're adding Magic Hat for drafts. And then for bottles, we're going to get rid of the Corona Light and change that to Sierra Nevada. So for drafts, to see the ones that we're actually displaying, once you click on Draft 1, click on Items, and here's where the text comes from for the menu board. Here's the item that it's linked to, and here's the text. So if we go to number 2, there's the Blue Moon that we're going to remove. So what we're going to do from this drop down is select the new beer that we want to display. And then in custom name, this is the actual text that you'll see on the menu board. In MICROS, you have a 16-character limit for the name, but under custom name here, you can add a longer name. So that makes more sense up on the menu board. So we change the item here to Magic Hat number 9, change the text as well. Next thing we have to do is go down to draft number 2 price, change this to Magic Hat number 9, hit this green check to save, and that's done. The next thing we're going to do is go down to the bottles and change Corona Light to Sierra Nevada. So again, we're just going to click on each of these bottles until we find the one we want to remove. So here it is here, Corona Light. So once we found it, we're just going to click on this drop down, scroll down to find our new beer that we just added, Sierra Nevada. Change this here. So we can put the full name of the beer if you want, because we have more room here than we do as in just the name in the POS. So that takes care of the name. Now for the price, we're just going to click on Bottle 5 Price, and then click on this drop down. Again, change that to the new beer, Sierra Nevada. Once we're done, green check, and that's done for the bottle. We also added a wine. It was a Mondavi White Zen. So from here we have room for 4 wines. So if we click on these, we can see the ones that we're currently displaying. For this example, let's say we're going to get rid of the Rex Merlot and we're going to change that to the Mondavi White Zen. So click on this here, change this to the new wine that we added. And it helps to remember the numbers that they were on. If you remember, that was around 218001. So once you know that, you can type that in on your keyboard and it'll go right to it. It makes it a lot easier than scrolling to try to find it. So from here, again, we can have a friendlier name in the custom name field. And then the glass price. And the bottle price. And that was at 218001. Green check to save that. And that will change on the menu board in a couple minutes. If the menu board doesn't change within maybe 5 minutes, you might just want to reboot the menu board. And that is it. Once you're done, you can just close out of this completely. And that's it. Thanks.